Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the arrival information in the TomTom Go application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the appearance button. And then at the appearance section, click on the root bar button. And then click on the arrival information button. And within this section, as you can see, these are the options. So you can set to show remaining distance, to show remaining time, or to switch between these two automatically. And then you can also show arrival information for final destination or next stop. So just click on the one that you want to use, and they are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.